hi there. Now we have the most cool episode in our Cheap8 series for JavaScript tests. By the way, thanks Reddit community and for helping to find out one of the issues with the program counter. I've updated the code, so it's up already on GitHub. And also I've added to upload a file, a big button that we can use in order to load some programs from the outside. And so here where we have all the tests to check whether the emulator works as supposed to work. There's classical Cheap8 test to check this virtual machine is drawing to IBM logo. And so I've added this to the documentation, to the README file, and also I've added all the opcode table that you can check using link in our README. And right now it just let us begin. So start the first test, and we'll try to load the IBM, and voila, we have it here. So it looks like pretty much as it should look like, and it seems that all these opcodes work okay. So we can see IBM logo here. Yeah, I'm happy about that. And so then we can have some other programs here, and let's just do it step by step. So cavern, let's check it out what is inside. So we have this we have some probably splash screen, but I don't see why it's empty. It seems that we didn't implement some of the codes, opcode, so we can check our console. Oh yeah, and you see unknown opcode, so we don't really process 4601 and so on, so we would need to extend our machine in order to load this test, so stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna do it in the next episodes. Random number test. Probably something keyboard related. Let us check it out. Yeah, once again we have some unknown opcodes, so we just cannot really proceed with that. More is a demo. Oh, it looks just really promising. Oh yeah, we see the Cosmic VIP. Yeah, let's check this. What do we have inside? Yeah, some opcodes are missing, but anyway, we see the splash screen. That's cool. And let's get back to the IBM logo. Maybe we had something inside. Nope. No. Any unimplemented commands opcodes, so it was good. Heart monitor. It waits for something. Yep, it waits, so we don't have it yet. But anyways, something is happening here, so it's good. And Cheap8 picture. Yeah, here we are, we see it, so it's Cheap8 definitely. Something else? Nope, everything is in place. So to draw something, we just pretty much ready to go. So, and but anyway, it's just, even with this simple emulator, we can see a lot of fun, and we can play with a lot of programs that are there. You can download them using like searching for GitHub and also clicking these links. We can find a lot of them. Like here's like a list of software tools, games, and so on these games definitely it's just not basic Cheap8, but we can go for, let us check that also. In the next videos we're gonna check maybe more complex programs, but let's make these demos work with the not implemented opcodes, and then we can go for the more complex tests. But here we are, so the first programs that they can be loaded from the hard drive, and yeah, you can play with that. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, like, and share with ones who would be interested too. Bye guys.